Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked 145 with a market cap of about $211 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about $23.52 million. And today we would be looking at some interesting price action happening right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so currently on the chart, we are on the chart for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And one of the good things we are seeing as regards to YFI, we're seeing right here, was this push above this support level which we have been respecting, and we said we wanted YFI to hold this support. That the moment we hold this support, this could be a very bullish price action right here for YFI, and over the next few days we could see that push to the upside right here of 17% right here for YFI. As you can see, since then we have been consolidating, and we are seeing that huge push up right here for YFI. And so I'll give you more reasons why this consolidation could continue over the next few days, but we currently are bullish. As you can see, right, prices just went below, but holding this support here is very bullish for YFI, and I'll tell you why. First is on the indicator. As you can see, we are above this level, this zero level at the top level, and this is the bullish level. So we should expect some sort of consolidation, and then subsequently a push to this upside. As you can see, every single time we saw that push to the upside, right, that was very bullish price action anywhere where we saw the rings above this zero level. Currently we are above. We should expect some sort of consolidation before we see that push to the upside on the cloud indicator. Also, if we look at this right here on the Z score indicator, right, as you can see, we are just going to retest the zero level before we see continuous push to the upside, which in both cases is very bullish for YFI. So as you can see, we are just consolidating, which we are expecting, and we could see some impulsive push over the next few days for YFI. So basically that's the chart for YFI for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.